Welcome guys, so today I am with TCL 30 and I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode looks in this phone. To find Pro Mode you have to click on these three lines and then select Pro Mode from this list. And right now I'm going to show you how to adjust all of these parameters. But before that, I can recommend you to tap on this information icon where you'll find the description of each feature that we can find in this phone. That's very useful to know how to adjust parameters and how to use them. So for example, you can change the brightness of your photo by using ISO. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.